Good morning, good afternoon, my dear listeners. My name na Style by BHR. I want to teach you how to how to say the measure bra cup. In case you go market, you no see the size of your bra for market, and the only option wey you get na to subtract your bra cup. So I wan be teaching how una go take the measurement. So wetin we need for the measurement na the height of the bra, where you want the bra to start from and where your bra dey go end, the width of the bra and the bust point and under bust. Na all those measurements we need. Any other one we no need. Na just four: height of the cup, the width of the cup, the wideness of the cup, the height of the cup, your bust point and your under bust measurement. Na those measurements we go dey need. And again, if you wan take the measure, make sure say you wear bra wey fit you well well. No be anyhow bra, you go wear bra wey package your breast well. So let's go ahead and start the measurement. For me, I no wan make my breast na show, so I go want start from somewhere around there, then carry am go under my bust. Na dey see wetin I dey do ba? Under my bust, under my bust, see am, under my bust. Na see wetin I measure ba? Under my bust, see am. Me I get 7. I dey see the 7 ba? 7. So for the width of the bra, me I go want this middle where the bra dey start. If you see, you go know where your bra start from. E dey show. You go see am here, this side. You go put your tape there, then come to the side of where your bra ends. No be say you go carry am all the way to the back o. You go see one line wey be say your bra dey get, wey dey end. Around that place, na there you go stop from your middle like this. So you go press am in, you just stay for the middle like this small. You carry am to where your bra, this your line wey you dey see here. Na dey see the line? Una see am well well. This line, na there you go stop. My own stop for wetin? 8. Na dey see am, e stop for wetin? 8. So na im be the width of my own bra. So the next measurement na your bust point. From this your nape of your neck here, you place your tape, get your bust point. This your side there, you go just put am. So my own bust point na 10. See am, bust point 10. So my under bust na wetin? 13. See am, na dey see as I dey measure am. My under bust na 13. So na all the whole measurements wey you go need for your bra be that. Your width, your height of the bra, your height of cup, your width of cup, your bust point and your under bust. Na those 4 basic measurements you go need to draft your custom bra if you no get your size for market. If una want more videos, more tutorials, then una like, subscribe, share my YouTube channel. Na thank you. Una no forget, my name na Style by BHR. B for banana, H for house, R for rat. Style by BHR. Una thank you.